Hey Carrie, I'm just jumping on board trying to shoot over another video for the afternoon. Um, Things are starting to fill up on the radar. Current observation suggests the freezing line is just near I-95 from DC to New Jersey and just south of New York City. An intense band is moving into DC. It's accompanied by some heavier snow rates. The sleet and rain starting to advance northward as the cyclone and associated warm air advection aloft strengthen. So we should fill this up, and this is going to be that battle line. It actually looks kind of good with the map we put out earlier. Um, I wouldn't be surprised if it extends up to South Nassau, South Suffolk, probably like where Sunrise Highway is on South. I feel like it's going to be a battleground. What else can we look at? So I'm just looking at the soundings so I can get a picture of the atmosphere at a vertical angle. Liquid ratios aren't going to be particularly high in the New York City metro. Best chance of over 10 to 1 ratios, it'll probably be around 12 to 1, is going to be tonight. With the front end band, it's going to be pretty heavy. Even if precip changes from snow to sleet in New York City and those areas we talked about, it'll be more convective with poor snow growth, so the snow actually um, it'll be smaller, for lack of a better explanation. We'll get 8 to 1 ratios and 10 to 1 rather than those 12 to 1s. So that's why it's important to, if you can catch those bands, you'll definitely catch more of those snows. And that's why we were talking about having some of those jackpot areas in New Jersey and PA and into Southern Mass and Connecticut. Getting a little closer, the preliminary precip, the early onset stuff that, it's kind of just hanging from the sky, isn't really hitting the ground, Virgo sort of stuff. It's slowly moving north. The heavy precip is still organizing. It's becoming more condensed. It's becoming heavier as the system gets going. The rain-snow line has stalled a bit to the east of the Delaware River, and then it's bending to North Ocean County, New Jersey. So everything's going on track. The important phase of this storm comes later, with the old primary low goes to the west, collapses, and the coastal low takes over. It's transitionary. And when that happens, the warm air transport stalls. So if you look here, this is the parent low. This is a new feature here. And what is going to happen is it'll stop that warm air from transporting when this takes over and shoots up the coast. This is what it's starting to look like, the change, one low to the other.